You may have heard the term arpeggio. Well, basically, arpeggio means to play one note of a chord at a time. So instead of playing the full chord like this, I'll use A minor as an example, play one note at a time like this. Or we will mix the notes up like this. So you don't have to play each note of the chord in ascending or descending order. In fact, it sounds a lot better if you play the strings in a random order, in my opinion. While not exactly soloing, it can make us beginners sound a lot more experienced than we actually are. Let's give it a go and see what happens. What I'm going to do is play the chords A minor, E minor, G and D. Just have a little strum, see what it sounds like, and then we move on, we play this arpeggio thingy-bob. Okay? Right, arpeggio. Same chords as it says A minor, E minor, G and D. Now what I'm going to do is go through it again, but with arpeggio and strumming all mixed in together. And let's see what that sounds like. I don't know what it's going to sound like, but I'm going to stick on the internet anyways. Let's have a go. I'm well pleased with the way that sounds. Things seem to be really coming together. As always, I hope you got something out of the video. I'd really appreciate it if you liked, made a comment, subscribe to the channel. Oh, and don't forget to click that little bell thingy-bob, so you get a little tickle in your pocket every time I upload a video. That's it for now. So all that's left to say is, hey Michelle!